there ever is a place where Manchester City might lose their way, it is on Merseyside. Their record in the city of Liverpool is pretty wretched, even for Pep Guardiola.
They lost the period of time that he isn't.
Mane found by Firmino. Salah quickly on the scene. Still Salah. John Stones made the block. Kyle Walker. Great run by Aguero. Now De Bruyne. Getting in towards...
Does he get a touch on him? You see here on this angle.
Oxlade-Chamberlain. Really looking to make a mark here. And it's a driving run. It's a brilliant shot. And Liverpool lead the leaders in the 9th minute. He has arrived, Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain.
Well, you talk about grabbing the shirt. Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain, he's had his doubters since he could.
Firmino. Chan hasn't quite got the City looking to hit back. They've got 5 forward here. De Bruyne, and it's offside with Raheem Sterling. Salah, no flag. Over Firmino. Palace that 1-0 win. Gundogan. Robertson had to. Salah found by Firmino. If he gets it onto his left foot, there's problems for Manchester City again.
It was close to him. It was quite a long way out. I thought my initial thinking was it could have been better.
The pace on the pass for Mane. Back comes City again with De Bruyne. When he's got the ball. De Bruyne! Oh, whisker away from Sergio Aguero's first Anfield goal.
It's so good from De Bruyne.
Sane hit them with his left foot. Oh, and a deflection. Darius was absolute. De Bruyne steer one in again. And again. Mane. Wijnaldum. Mane. Firmino goes again. For Mane again. De Bruyne. And Salah. Get away here. Just it to Firmino. It doesn't matter because he's going to run it back again. Oh, it was a fighting moment because here's Sadio Mane. And Firmino. Took it to Aguero. De Bruyne, his shooting distance. He's on target. Here's Gundogan. Plenty of support. They concede so few goals at home. And 4 in the Premier League this play on the break. With Salah as offside. Inside them. Here's Otamendi. Aguero. Salah. His kind of angle. It's taken out by the pass from Sane. Probably change of direction. He's fighting in. He's beaten Darius at the near post. It's 1-1. Leroy Sane, who got 2 of the 5 in September, has come up with the equaliser here.
Well, it's come from the...
Mane. Robert.
Natural to try and save it that way.
There's Oxlade-Chamberlain, mistake by Danilo. And others are arriving in the shape of Fernandinho, who's got a decent hit on him. Lovren has stayed forward. And Edison knocked it down again. 22 last Thursday. What a talent he is. Mane. Looking for... to De Bruyne. It's good too because he's got the better of Wijnaldum and Liverpool are in trouble here. Aguero. Gomez. And well here. A good Manchester City corner. Oh. What a good header it was by Otamendi.
Well, he was under some...
De Bruyne. It's a lovely... Only got for Salah! And Edison saved it. Comes out to... Got a bit of an overload here with Oxlade-Chamberlain. Lovely footwork and He couldn't squeeze it in where Sané squeezed in his equaliser. It's in a shooting position even for his left foot. Oh, hang on a minute. I'm not sure.
Another option.
Mane, stayed by Walker. Mane sweeps up off John Stones and Chamberlain on the move again. And they slide it down the side of Stones for Firmino! Roberto Firmino! The Bobby Dazzler certainly shines here. Liverpool have the lead again. And Manchester City falling apart here. Oh! Mane. Is that going to come back and bite Liverpool? And Liverpool putting on a fantastic show. And here's Salah. He's got plenty of support, including Mane. Can he pick the right option this time? You better believe it! 3-1! And Mane, payback time for the red card. A wonderful moment.
One is just coming in a really poor area.
Here's Aguero. Between Sterling and Robertson. Andrew Mariner, who is so many great games in the past. The current crop. This is right up there. There's Salah. Salah did well. Firmino, it's stuck with him. Mane. Well read by Edison, but not well cleared. Surely not. It is. It's a fabulous ball. From the technique from Mo Salah, who gets in on the act. Edison curses the error. Well, that is surely Liverpool's day now. Walker. Young Mane, has been expecting a day like this somewhere along the road. The road that should lead to glory. At the moment, they're being hounded, they're being harassed. And Firmino. They might not need it, but Bernardo Silva, Robertson, De Bruyne, and Karius taken out from the
And underhand. So close to goal.
Walker. Couldn't quite see that the ball was on for Mane. Wijnaldum has a crack. Aguero, Gundogan, and for Bernardo Silva, gets one back. 4-2, 7 minutes to go. Don't write the obituary on this result for Manchester City just yet.
Absolutely not. I think that's just in the time.
Chamberlain, looking to elaborate. Bernardo Silva. Liverpool want the final word here. Says Milner. It wasn't aimed for Firmino, who was clearly offside. To Aguero. Gundogan. 4-3. Still 3 minutes to go.
That is interesting.
He cannot believe it.
He can.
Closing seconds. De Bruyne takes. Oh, it was offside. It was offside. It was Liverpool's famous day. No invincibility this season for Manchester City in the Premier League. The mighty are fallen on Merseyside. Was not without one heck of a fight late on. After Jurgen Klopp's team had roared into a 4-1 lead. Firmino on target in the second half.